Hello and welcome back to Art Lessons. Today we're going to finish up making our color wheel and we're going to have some time to experiment with mixing different colors together. So I want to start off by reviewing what we learned last time. We started off with our primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow. And remember, these are the colors that can create all the colors in the world, but no other colors can create those. We then used those colors and combined two of them to create our secondary colors, which are orange, purple, and green. And secondary colors are made by combining two primary colors. Today we're going to take it one step farther, and to finish our color wheel, we are going to make all 6 tertiary colors. Now, tertiary colors are colors that use one primary color and one secondary color to create a tertiary color. So on our color wheel today, I did already finish mine because there was a video error, but as you can see, we've filled in all the gaps that should be in your color wheel right now with the tertiary colors. So I'm going to walk you through how you're going to finish up your color wheel to look just like mine. So right now you should have the 3 primary colors and you should have the 3 secondary colors, and there should be gaps between each primary and secondary color on your wheel. Now I cheated a little bit, and you can do the same thing too. I give you full permission. You can grab orange, purple, and green paint, markers, colored pencils, or crayons, whatever you were using before, to help create these. Or if you want to make it extra tricky on yourself, you can still continue to only use the primary colors. Either way will work, just using the primary and the secondary colors might be a little bit easier. So what I first did is I put down a layer of yellow, and then I painted a layer of orange over it, and we created the tertiary color of yellow-orange. The fun thing about all tertiary colors is that the names are super easy to remember because it's just the combination of the 2 colors. It's the primary color and the secondary color. So this tertiary is yellow-orange. This tertiary color is a combination of red and orange, so it's called red-orange. I made this one by putting a layer of red down and then a layer of orange down. I bet you can already guess what this one is going to be called, but this one is a combination of red and purple. This one is called red-purple. You put down a layer of the red and then a layer of the purple. If I'm going too fast for you at home, please feel free to pause at any time so you can make sure that your color wheel looks as good as you want it to. Don't feel like you have to rush at all. You're working at your own pace when you're at home. Onto this tertiary color, it's a combination of blue and purple, and you got it. Its name is blue-purple. So you put down a layer of blue and then a layer of purple on top of it to get that color. Our second to last one is a combination of blue and green. And right here you have blue-green. You put down a layer of blue and then a layer of green to get that one. Our very last one is a combination of yellow and green. Put down a layer of yellow, put down a layer of green, and here you get yellow-green. So once again, all of our tertiary colors are yellow-orange, red-orange, red-purple, blue-purple, blue-green, and yellow-green. And with our primary, our secondary, and now our tertiary colors, you have a completed color wheel. Now, Ms. Ziegler, what do I do with my color wheel? You can do all sorts of things with it. It can help you create better looking art projects, and it can help you figure out how to best mix your colors. So as an example, I painted 2 complementary colors right next to each other, and then I combined them. Complementary colors are any colors that are opposite of each other on the color wheel. So I chose yellow and purple, but another complementary color combination is yellow-orange and blue-purple. So you can just draw these straight lines across your color wheel, and whatever is opposite of the color, that's called its complementary color. When you put two complementary colors next to each other, they make each other pop. So the color will look its brightest when it's directly next to its complementary color. So if you're working on an art project and you're trying to figure out which colors you want to use, you can check out your color wheel, and you can decide to put complementary colors next to each other if you want it to look nice and bright and you want your colors to pop. If you combine complementary colors together, like I did here with the purple and the yellow, they always make brown. It might be a different shade of brown, but complementary colors combined will always make brown. So what I want you to do after you have your completed color wheel is I want you to start experimenting. See what different complementary colors are your favorite what complementary colors are your favorite combinations. And then you can start mixing different colors and get as crazy as you want. You can test Ms. Ziegler and you can see if complementary colors really always do make brown, or you can see what happens if you put purple with red purple. You can start adding yellows or whites. You can start adding blacks. You can start making different shades of these colors. But I want you to take your blank piece of paper and I want you to just start putting colors on it and seeing what colors you like to combine and what colors you like better by themselves. When you're all done with that, it'll be really helpful next week when we start a brand new project and you get to pick whatever colors you want. So keep your color wheel by your side at all times for your art projects to help you make the best decisions you possibly can. I'll see you guys next week. Hope you had fun. Bye.